Hello friends, welcome to NECO Online Math. Remember to share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page, NECO Math. Today we are looking at integration. And integration is topics that JAMB and NECO like setting. So if you are writing JAMB, you're writing NECO and you're also writing WAEC, endeavor to share this video with your friends so that it will be of help to them. Today we are taking integration number 1. We are trying to take integrations from the simplest to the complex. So we are integrating this function. So what we're going to do, we are going to integrate it 10 by 10. That is one after the other. If you are integrating this, we are going to have 4x raised to power 7 plus 1. Go to the denominators, 7 plus 1. Plus the next one is 2x raised to power 3 plus 1. That is the rule. 3 plus 1 minus x raised to power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus c. And that c is seen as the constant of integration. So if you're having this, you're going to have 4x raised to power, what do we have here? 8 divided by 8 plus, what do we have here? 2 raised to power x raised to power 4 divided by 4 minus x raised to power, what do we have here? 3 divided by what? 3 plus c. That is it. Now this one can reduce to 4 cancel itself, 1 over, go here, 2 x raised to power 8 plus 2 cancel itself, 1 goes to 4, 2. Are you seeing what we are doing? So we're going to have 1 over 2 x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 over 3 plus c. And the c is constant. You have been able to solve this. And this is called indefinite integral. So we have another one here. We are integrating this. The integral of open bracket 5x minus 2 close bracket raised to power 3 dx. We are going to integrate this. For us to integrate this kind of function, we select t equals to 5x minus 2. Then the x is equals to, if you differentiate this one now, you're going to have 5. If you differentiate this, that's why you need to watch my previous video on differentiation. So if you differentiate this, you have 5. So if you make the x the subject of formula, this implies that the x is equals to dt divided by 5. This will come here, this one will come here. So that is what we are talking about. So if that be the case, it therefore means that we're going to have the integral of 5x minus 2 raised to power 3 dx. This particular question will now be the integral of the whole of this. The whole of this is t. So we replace it by t raised to power 3. Then the x, what is the x? The x is dt divided by what? 5. So if we are doing that now, we are going to have the integral of t raised to power 3 1 over 5 dt. That is what it means, because dt over 5 is 1 over 5 dt. So this 1 over 5, we can bring it outside. We have 1 over 5 integral of t raised to power 3 dt. So if we integrate t raised to power 3, we are going to have t raised to power 3 plus 1. Okay, we still write our 1 over 5. Look at it. 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then plus c. And c is the constant of integration. By so doing, what are we now going to have? We're going to have 1 over 5, t raised to power 4 over what? 4. 3 plus this is 4. Then plus what? C. So we are going to have t raised to power 4 over 5 times 4, 20 plus c, giving us, but this is the answer. But our question was not giving us with respect to t. So we are going to tell ourselves, what is t? Already t was 5x minus 2. So it becomes 5x minus 2 raised to power what? We have 4 here, divided by 20 plus the constant c. Play this video over and over again for proper understanding. Thank you. We have another one here. So we can now say integral of cos 7x dx. We select t equals to 7x. dt dx is equals to 7. If you differentiate 7x, the answer is 7. If you differentiate 10x, the answer is 10. If you differentiate 11x, the answer is 11. If you differentiate 20x, the answer is 20. If you differentiate 50x, the answer is what? 50. So by so doing, we are going to have what we are going to do, we are going to have the integral of cos 7x dx equals to the integral of cos t, because our t is now replacing 7x d what? Okay, then if that becomes the case, it means that our dx here is equals to dt over 7. So this place will now put dt over what? 7. So if we are doing that, it therefore means that we are going to have the integral of cos t 1 over 7 dt. So if we are doing that, we are going to have this 1 over 7 now will be used to multiply that integral. So I'm cleaning this, pause this and watch it over again. So what are we going to do? We are going to have 1 over 7 integral of cos t dt. Now you don't ask yourself, if you integrate cos t, you have to, I will send videos to you. We have what we call standard integral, which is in my video. So you have to watch my video on standard integral. So we're going to have 1 over 7. The integral of cos t is sine t. Sine what? T. Then plus the constant what? C. Because 1 over 7 sine, what is your t? Your t already was 7x plus what? C. That becomes the answer to that question. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're writing JAMB, if you're writing NECO, and you're writing WAEC, this is for you. Please endeavor to watch, follow my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video for your friends and your colleagues that are having challenge in math. Pause the video, watch it again, take down important notes. That is how a good student behaves.